Okay, so what does log do? Think about it. What does log do? Essentially, what is the function of log? Opposite of exponent. So if you have like 2 to the power of 11, which is a big number, right? If you log this by base 2, what does it return? 11. So what you can say, logging a particular number shrinks the number significantly, right? So log is typically used if whatever we're dealing with is extremely large or extremely small, like microscopic that you cannot see. Because we still need to be able to talk about them in a nice number that we are comfortable with. Now when it comes to hydrogen concentration, you know hydrogen you cannot see with your eyes. So the actual concentration of hydrogen in a particular volume is extremely small. Okay, and the amount of hydrogen concentration counts for this, how acidic a particular liquid is. Okay, so if you have more hydrogens, it's more acidic. So if the pH level is 7, we say that it's a neutral liquid. Right? If it's greater than 7, it's basic. If it's less than 7, it's acidic. And you know what happens? You see movies, right? If you touch a really acidic liquid, your hand's gonna like melt, right? Bad for you. Okay, look, let's do an example here. We don't care exactly about the exact chemistry of it. We just know that this is a measure of concentration. That means, given a volume, how many things are in there? They're saying that there's only that much in there. So I think it's mole. M stands for mole per liter. Don't quote me on that though. You should confirm it with your chemistry teacher, okay? So that means like how much something is there in a particular liter. Okay. Yeah. So pH for this liquid will be the following: minus log of 3.16 times 10 to the power of negative 8. That's it. So we get 7.5 here. So it's pretty basic. It's pretty neutral. And this makes sense. We're talking about human blood. Okay. If our blood was too acidic, we'll be like, our skin will melt right through us, right? Okay, so what about this? It says that there's the most acidic rainfall ever measured in Scotland has pH of 2.4. Okay. So what's the hydrogen concentration? So that means, here's how we set it up. 2.4 is equal to minus log of the hydrogen concentration. So we need to isolate this symbol here, the hydrogen concentration. So minus 2.4. So the hydrogen concentration is 10 to the power of negative 2.4, right? That's how many moles. So this is actually significantly bigger than this. How much bigger? Look at the exponents. Minus 8 versus minus 2.4. That's approximately a million times bigger. It's a million times more concentrated. Okay.
Is it